Hello, do you know the addition number bonds for the number 9? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So number bond for 9 would be what two numbers added together equal 9. So you could have, so I know there's one like this, 5 plus 4, that equals 9. So that's a great number bond. What about, let's go for this one, 6. What about that one, does that equal 9? Yes, it does. Well done. So that's another way of spelling it, or writing it. What about this one? What about 4 plus 6? Does that equal it? No. Well done. Because I tried tricking you. I was going to swap this number around, but you know that 5 plus 4 is 9. So 4 plus 6, that can't equal 9. That equals 10. So that can't be it. Well done. Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!